How to fix WhatsApp time error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp time error on Android phone. First, open settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and now apps again. And here you need to find WhatsApp. First you need to click this one here and force stop, click force stop and force stop it, and that's it. Now just go back and go to system and updates, and here you need to find the date and time, and then click on it and click this one. You will find it like that, disable it, then just enable it, click on it, and that's it. And don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.